Welcome home. This charming 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom has a bright bonus room that could easily be used as a den, office, or space for extra guests. The floor plan is open and bright, with skylights providing ample natural light. Tile throughout the home makes for easy upkeep, and there is plenty of storage space. The master bedroom features 3 full-sized closets as well as an ensuite bath. The screened lanai has a wide open view. 2-car garage has storage cabinets, as well as a workbench, and access to even more storage in the attic via pulled-down stairs. New roof in 2019. This home was lovingly maintained, and it shows. For additional peace of mind, seller to provide a 1-year home warranty. Treetops at Ranger Point is a small and friendly 55-plus HOA in a great location, with easy access to Port Charlotte, North Port, and Englewood. The community features a heated pool, tennis or pickleball court, shuffleboard, and cabana/social center. These amenities and lawn care in front of the home are included in the low monthly HOA fee. For the water enthusiast, a public fishing pier and boat launch are less than a mile away. Stunning Gulf beaches are about a 20-minute drive. For the baseball fan, spring training for the Tampa Bay Rays and the Atlanta Braves are both close by. For some shopping, the quaint Fisherman's Village in Punta Gorda is a nearby option.